opening the package. It's Christmas time, so I actually don't know how to say this. How do you guys say this name? Is it IL Makiage or IL Makiage, whatever? But this is a package that it comes in. Got a little frilly stuff sticking out, so I'm assuming because it's packed it probably pretty quickly because it's Christmas time. So cute little box, right? I have a little card here. It says over 75% of women get foundation wrong, and it shows you little steps actually. So they want you to moisturize, and then we're gonna apply half or one pump to our entire face, jaw, and neckline, and more if needed. Step 3 is blend out with a brush or sponge, and then you wait 5 minutes. So this is what's inside. I got a free gift when I ordered this, and I'm just doing the test run like everyone else, or like the people who are like newcomers. So I actually forget what the free gift was. I'll write it below if I remember. So I believe this is a foundation. These are the boxes that they come in. I'm not gonna lie, I love nice sleek boxes. I love black boxes. I love. Okay, so yeah, it says Next Gen Full Coverage Foundation. It's 30 milliliters, so 1 fluid ounce. And it's something is like taped to the bottom of this. Maybe that's the free gift that I forget. I got, no, it's the box. It's the foundation. I lied. So that's how it comes. Just set this down. So very like sophisticated like setup, if you guys can see. This is how it comes. I got like little velour packaging too. That's pretty cute. So I have After Party 170. So that's the packaging for the foundation. It's a little box like that. That's really cute. So I guess this. Oh, so I got a free brush. That was a free gift. So this is 100 foundation blending brush. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, so maybe I'll actually use this brush. This is how it comes. It's just a simple brush. And this actually reminds me of my e.l.f. buffering brush, but it's a lot softer. But maybe I'll actually use their brush now that it came with it. So I am going to apply this foundation. Actually, first I'm going to do my eyebrows because I do that before I do any other makeup. And then I'm going to do the foundation. And I'm also going to go ahead and clean this brush before I use it. So I'll be back. So I went ahead and just got the brush that they gave us. And I'm actually scared to... I'm just going to put like half a pump on my face. How do you even measure half a pump? That's the real thing. Oh, I bet you this. Oh yeah, it has to like work its way up. So this is 170. This is what 170 looks like. It said don't apply with your finger. I don't know. I'm already kind of second guessing this. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of looks good. I want to get close up because let me tell y'all, I hate it when people do these makeup reviews and then there's either a filter or they don't get close up and you don't actually see what the heck their face looks like, and you can just tell that it is a filter. So I can tell already right now that spot is not covered. And it might be that I need to actually go in with some concealer before I do that. And you know what the direction says? It says you need to wait 5 minutes for it to set before you do anything. So I think I'm done. I'm going to wait 5 minutes and I'll be back. Ooh. This is why I don't do full face makeup, because you can see you see that? Oh, was that a figment of my imagination? Was that the video? It doesn't feel heavy, so I'll be back in 5 minutes. So I've waited the 5 minutes, and I will say, like, first of all, my hands are clean. Touching this, it feels super lightweight. It does not feel like anything is on my face, so I love that about this. Super lightweight. I go in, I show my sister, and she's just like, well, that's creepy. And I'm like, what? Do I look like, you know, somebody crazy? And she's like, no, like, it matched really well. So that's a good thing. It matches well. But you guys, look at this. And this is partly, I don't know if this is an issue with the company or if this is just an issue with just, this is what makeup does. Like, this is what you have to do, especially when you do a full face, which is why I don't do full face foundation. I only like kind of color correct. So maybe I'm being dramatic. Maybe I'll watch more YouTube videos and see girls, you know, blend up into their hairline, which I think is, I don't know, are you supposed to do that? What if you, like, I don't know, I just feel like you're not supposed to. Okay, so now it looks 10 times. Okay, maybe I'm just being dramatic because now it looks 10 times better. But still, I was just like, I don't like that. So, anyway, this is the IL Makiage, or however you say it, foundation in 170. It's called the After Party. The only con I have about it is that the price is very expensive. The price is just super expensive to me, and that's something that you have to think about. Pros is that it's lightweight. It does feel lightweight. It does, by the way, my hands are clean. It does feel like nothing is on your face when you're touching your face, which I like. I do like that it comes in a pump, and the pump is very, it's not like squirting out, which I hate, because if you have an expensive product, you don't want something that's just gonna squirt out and waste on you. So it does come in this very, like, you know, feasible pump that pumps out. You can, like, literally press and hold, and, like, the amount that you want will come out. And so let's see if I can put that literally right there, even though it's not foundation. So it comes in a pump. The packaging is very cute. It's very sleek. If you're one of those, like, little modern girls or whatever like that, not that I feel like that matters with makeup, but comes in a very cute modern packaging, so I love that. And it comes with directions, most importantly, and the directions really tell you how to put it on. So sorry, I had to go grab the directions. So let me just tell you, step 1, prep your face with moisturizer. Step 2, apply half to a full pump to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Add more if needed. Blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand. That's step 3. Step 4 is to wait 5 minutes for the foundation to set before you check your shade. So maybe that's important for them. And then they say don't match to your neck or your wrist, because they are different tones, or they could be. And then finish the look with some concealer, blush, and then some bronzer. And then they say wear for a full week to determine if it's a perfect shade for you. So I don't think I'm going to wear it for a full week because I don't wear makeup every day. But definitely looking at it, like, it does look kind of nice on this camera. And to be honest, I don't know if this is a full coverage, because look, you see dots that are still visible there. And so Makeup girls, let me know, am I supposed to blend into my hairline? I do makeup, but I definitely do the bare minimum because I'm not a full glam type of girl, nor am I a person that I feel like I invest super much into like makeup tutorials. And so let me know, was I supposed to blend up here? Because I feel like that's kind of crazy. You guys tell me if you've used this product and how it was for you. So basically what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to, you know, do their step 6 and finish it with some concealer and some bronzer. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna put on some lashes. That is something that I do regardless of if I have makeup or not. And I'm actually gonna link a video that I have on the easiest way on how I put on lashes for all my beginners, because that is something that apparently a lot of people struggle with and a lot of my friends struggle with it. And I think just being able to apply lashes on your own is very quick, easy. It's cheaper than getting those refills that a lot of people get. But yeah. That's it. Thanks for coming to my channel. Again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And you guys have a happy holidays and be safe out there. All right, bye.